how to report someone on Reddit. Firstly, as you want to open up your feed screen setup and you get on a profile which is not interested for you, for example this one, you simply need to go on it and then tap on the three dots right here, and as you can find out that this is a community, you can simply change your mind because you can't report a community. You can simply rechange the community and report someone. For example, I will go with searching someone on that selection, and I'm gonna find this person right here and simply go on the three dots right here, and as you can see you have the option which will be block account, or as you scroll down on their posts you go on the three dots and you simply go report on the third selection, and you simply need to send why you're gonna get that report on it, because for example hate or harassment and all that stuff. I'll go hate and go get submit report. You can also report or block this person and go done when you're ready.